How do we divide fractions? So say we have 3/8 divided by 4/10. What does this equal? Well, the first thing when we're dividing fractions is we have to know this really cool trick that we can use for any fraction when we're dividing. What we do is we take the reciprocal of this fraction. And the reciprocal is just a cool way or a fancy way of saying we flip this guy around, this fraction. We flip that fraction around. Let's flip this guy around. So let's move this guy up here, and then let's move this 4 down here. And what we get is 10/4, or 10/4. Okay, great. Now that we flipped that guy around, let's rewrite this. So we would write 3/8, but then we have to remember we don't divide it anymore. When we flip this guy, when we flip the second guy, we have to multiply it. So this first guy stays the same, this first fraction stays the same, but now we have to multiply it instead of dividing it. We multiply it, and we multiply it by this new flipped number. So by 10/4. So look at the difference. Here, the first number is the same, that stays the same. But instead of dividing on the second time, you multiply it. And this second fraction, instead of being 4/10, we flipped it around, so now it is 10/4. And now we just multiply. So what is 3 multiplied by 10? That is going to be 30. And what is 8 multiplied by 4? That is going to be 32. So our answer is 30/32. And this is also the answer for our fraction. So our fraction 3/8 divided by 4/10. If we delete all this, let me delete that real quick. Our answer is 30/32. That is our answer. And I hope this video was helpful and it helped clarify some questions you had concerning dividing fractions, and I hope that you can use this cool trick with any fractions you divide and make it a lot easier, a lot simpler. And like always, remember to stay positive.